Most Odoo users set up taxes one by one and then struggle when a product needs both fixed tax and a personalized tax at the same time. And the secret is the tax group. I'll show you exactly how to configure them and apply them on a real invoice under 3 minutes. Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, I'll be discussing about how to set up the taxes and why your Odoo invoices are showing the wrong tax amount. And with this video, you can fix the issue right now. Let's move on to the accounting module. Here we are just going to consider a real-time scenario with an electronics retailer by applying an 80% of tax and luxury surcharges. To configure these taxes, you can just move on to the configuration and choose taxes. Once it's 10, you can just move on to the creation of the taxes. Right now, I have already created the taxes. Let me choose the tax 18% and the tax computation is percentage over here. And with the amount of 18%, and we need to apply this in the invoices, and I'll be setting the tax type as sales over here. Once it's 10, you can move on to the advanced option and also ensure that you have configured the tax groups. And afterwards, you can create the other tax, which is luxury surcharge. So here you can find that the luxury surcharge with the tax group which is applied, and under the definition you can see that luxury surcharge has a tax computation as fixed and the amount will be 500, and we need to apply this in the sales. So I'll be setting the tax type as sales over here. Later on, we need to group all these taxes into a single tax, and I'll be creating a tax called electronics tax group with a tax computation as bundle of taxes. So under the definition, here you can see that we have added different taxes, which is tax 18% and luxury surcharge. And you don't need to set up anything under the advanced options. And let's move on to the customer invoices to manage with this. So as you just move on here, you need to create a new invoice. For that, you can click on new button and you can add the customer over here. Let's say lights up is the customer. I'll be adding the product over here. So here the customer is just going to purchase a luxury item which has a worth of 75,000. So here we'll be applying the luxury surcharge as well as the tax 18%. So you don't need to individually add the taxes over here as we are just moving with the tax group. But when you're just going with without the tax group, the accountant manually adds two taxes separately on every lines of invoices, and there is higher chances of errors and inconsistency and delay. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.